Did you know that the French and Indian War was a pivotal conflict that set the stage for the American Revolution? This war, fought between 1754 and 1763, involved British and French forces and their Native American allies, fundamentally altering the balance of power in North America. To understand this conflict, we must first explore the competing colonial interests. The British and French both wanted to expand their territories, leading to tensions in the Ohio River Valley. This area became the focal point of colonial skirmishes and ultimately a larger war. Key events include the Battle of Fort Necessity in 1754, where a young George Washington faced defeat, and the pivotal British victory at the Battle of Quebec in 1759. These events shifted the tide in favor of the British, leading to their dominance in North America. Prominent figures such as General James Wolfe and Marquis de Montcalm played crucial roles in these battles, symbolizing the fierce rivalry between the British and French. Their strategies and leadership defined the war's course. The war concluded with the Treaty of Paris in 1763, which resulted in France ceding much of its North American territory to Britain. This outcome sowed the seeds of discontent among American colonists, ultimately leading to the Revolutionary War. The legacy of the French and Indian War continues to influence American history today. The war's financial strain on Britain led to increased taxation on the colonies, igniting a desire for independence that forever changed the course of the nation.